Diamonds are forever.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup Moo, and if you're new here, hey sis, and if you're returning, hey sis. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this really cute romantic, it's kind of giving me rose petal vibes, this look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This palette has a bunch of muted tones, some really cute. I think this palette would be really cute for spring, and spring is around the corner. This palette is perfect for like an everyday use, if you're going to a wedding, if you're in a wedding, hello, hey bride, or if you just want to have a romantic evening with bae. So with that being said, let's get into the look. Okay, so I already did my brows and primed my lid using the MAC Paintpot in the shade Painterly. And the first thing I'm going to do is go in with the pencil brush and take the shade Glistening. And I'm going to place that right in my tear duct. Okay, this shade is real popping, so you only need a little bit. Okay. And as well as my brow bone. Get that thing popping. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my MAC 224 and I'm going to go in my crease with the shade Burnt Orange. So right below where I put that shade Glistening, I'm going to place this Burnt Orange shade right under that. You want to build on that color as much as you want, girl. Do your thing. Now, when palettes come with the brushes, I feel like people really don't use the brushes, but I'm actually going to go in with the blending brush that comes in the palette, and I'm going to pick up that color Sienna, and I'm going to place that right underneath Burnt Orange. So I'm going to use buffing motions to buff this shade right in my crease, but like below Burnt Orange, because you want to get that, you want that burnt orange to like peek through, you know. And again, we want to build on this color until we're satisfied. And if need be, just go back in with that MAC 224 brush and just blend out those harsh edges. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M515 brush and I'm going to place the color Mulberry only at the end of my eye, okay? I really want to pack that color in so that it defines my eyelid a little bit more. So just pack, 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 okay? And then once we pack this color in, we're gonna lightly sweep that into the crease, okay? Lightly, sis. Don't be doing the most, okay? Just lightly sweep that color right in the crease. Next, I'm gonna go back in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, the one that comes in the palette. I'm gonna use the C-shaped brush, and I'm gonna actually go in with Sultry and Rose Pink, because these two colors are really standing out to me and looking popping or whatnot. And I'm just going to press that until my lid. Look how pretty that is. Nice. Okay, so my camera hated on me when I was doing my liner, but you guys get the point. I just did a simple wing line, and I'm gonna go in with my Celebrity Lash lashes. I don't know what number or what name these are, but this is what they look like. Can you guys see that? Okay, wait, the back of the Celebrity Lash packaging, it says the party and the after party, so I guess we about to be the life of the party. Actually, before I put my lashes on, I'm gonna go in with the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. I'm just gonna do a light coat of that. I like to put my mascara on first because I wear my lashes over 1,000,000 times, and the less gunk I gotta clean when cleaning my lashes off. So just go ahead and do my mascara first, and then place my lash above, my false lash above that. Okay, just a little light coat. We ain't about to do the most. Yikes, I'm running out of lash glue. Lord, please let these lashes stick. I'm just gonna take some tweezers and make it do what it do. Next, I'm gonna take my Morphe M508 brush, and I'm gonna take that shade Mulberry, and I'm gonna place that right under my lash line. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. And then I'm going to style my lashes how I like them styled. Okay, so now that our eyes are done, let's move on to the face. Okay, so I'm going to prime my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is basically like a primer and a moisturizer in one. Yes, I bought the small one because for one, I'm cheap, and for two, I wanted to try it first to see if I like it. And I actually pretty like this product. I actually might go ahead and get the big bottle. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline SuperStay and Fit Me foundation because I like both and I want to see how it performs mixed together. So let's see what she giving. And I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and blend that all together. I tell you, the SuperStay be throwing me off with this orange undertone, but we're gonna make it work. Here I go, getting Willy Wonka tease again. Next, I'm gonna use my Age Rewind concealer in the shade Caramel. I've been using this quite a bit. As you can see, it's like getting low. And then I'm going to go back in with that same sponge and blend that concealer into my foundation. I swear this concealer be getting us together because the foundation alone, child, just don't do it. Just don't. It just don't. It just don't. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set that using my Fit Me finishing powder in the shade 30, medium deep. And I just want to press that onto the skin like so. If you want to bake, you can. We're not baking today though. This powder is so smoothing. I love it. This is probably one of their best products, to be honest. And it don't give you no flashback either, sis. I'm pressing that in to the skin. Okay? Don't swipe, don't wipe. Press. Then I'm going to take my Sephora Microsmooth powder in the shade 56 deep and set the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to take my Black Radiance press powder in the shade Ebony and contour my face. And I'm trying to give chiseled, so we're going to contour down, sis. See how this side is giving you Nestle tea and this side is giving you Great Value brand? Chisel that cheek, sis, okay? I don't really like to contour my nose, but I do like to add just a little teeny bit of powder just so that you know my nose is there. Because when setting my face, it can get a little lost in the sauce. So we just want to add just a little bit, just so you know. Hey nose, I'm here. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite blush. This is Burnt Pepper from MAC. And just going to add a flush of this on my cheeks. Using that same brush I used to contour my face. We ain't about to be wasting brushes around here. And I'm just going to take my favorite highlighter. And this is Cheeky Bronze from MAC. I pretty much use that Burnt Pepper and Cheeky Bronze combo pretty much every day. It's like my go-to. And just highlight my face. See, this is giving flavors. This is giving light. Yes, cheek, you better push through. Sis, we are snatched. Yes. Okay, and for my lip liner, I'm going to actually use a liquid lipstick for that. This is the shade Chocotease from MAC. I just really like the effect that liquid lipstick gives. It just looks more defined, I guess that's the word I want to use. I'm just going to put that on my bottom lip. Okay, and my trick to having a perfect liner using liquid lipstick is to place a line on the bottom lip, and then we're gonna press the lips together like so. Boom, your lip liner is done. Next, I'm gonna take my MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Nude de Jour, okay? And we're gonna put that all over. This color is cute. I've never used this color before. This is cute. This look is definitely giving romantic and soft. I like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Shabloop.